Hey friends, have you guys wanted to have restaurant style salsa at home? Well, it is so easy to do. All you need is some fresh ingredients and some canned ingredients. So I put an onion, garlic, cilantro, and a jalapeno in my little hand chopper, and I chopped those up first. Then after those were coarsely chopped, I put them in a bowl. And then I got my canned stewed tomatoes. Now these were already petite diced, so I probably didn't even have to chop them more, but I don't like too big of chunks in my salsa. So I went ahead and chopped those a little bit. And these ones actually had garlic in them as well, so I could have omitted the other garlic, but I forgot, so I added garlic. And so they were extra garlicky, which was really good. But I didn't think it was quite juicy enough, so I added just a little bit of tomato sauce because I love how the restaurant, it tastes fresh, but it's got a nice consistency. It's got a tomatoey base. And so I added a little tomato sauce, a lime, half a lime, and some salt. And that was it. Oh, a little bit of cumin as well. And that was it. And it makes just the most delicious restaurant style salsa you've ever tried. So give it a try if you haven't yet. It's amazing. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe. I'd love to share more of my ideas with you. Thanks and have a great day.